it's Pouya. So, we're going to start. Number 1. Chameleon changes color for camouflage. No, trust me, it's not. It's just for their body temperature. Fun fact, the most thing that your teacher told you are basically not scientific. Because if they know something about knowledge of doing science things, they loved science too. And if you love science, probably you don't like to teach something to some kids who are still fighting for hot dogs. It seems logical. Whatever. Number 2. Different parts of tongue detect different tastes. The whole tongue detects whole flavors, which are saltiness, sweetness, bitterness, soreness, and umami. So, it's not like that. Number 3. There is no gravity in space. No. Again and again. Gravity is the bending of space-time, which is not actually done in pieces, and it's a continuous state. So, when we are not far from Earth in space, some gravity from the Earth certainly affects us. Even the gravity of the Moon and other planets that are close to us. It affects us to a certain extent. But because we are so far away from the center of the gravity in space, it has a much smaller effect on us because of this formula. Number 4. Thomas Edison has invented the light bulb. You're kidding me, right? But if you don't, no. Actually, he didn't, because it was invented before his light bulb. But he made many changes to improve the light bulb. But who cares who was invented at first time? I don't know why did I bring it on, but anyway. Number 5. We use 10% of our brains. This is the most ridiculous thing a person can accept, because there is a mistake even in its grammar and sentence. You say, what's wrong in the grammar and sentence? I ask this. We use 10% of what? Of our brains. Neurons? Seriously? So the PET scan of my brain that says my whole brain is working and oxide glucose is wrong, and all the neurologists in the world are a bunch of stupids who waste their time in the lab? Come on! Number 6. Pluto is a planet. It's not that strong to getting me angry, but no, it lost its planet state in 2006, and you can forgive your high school teacher if you graduate before the 2006, whatever. Number 7. You can see the Great Wall of China from the moon. You didn't believe that in first time, did you? If you enjoyed this video, just subscribe. If you enjoyed very much, you could like too. And if you fall in love with me, you could share this to your friends. Anyway, if you like these contents that I put these in this channel, you can turn on the bell too. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay in Zoom and see you in the next video.